How's it going? Phil Blanehart at J-Tech. This week we're doing an under chassis inspection, PMI. We're going to start up front. Start up front with our steering box, our steering gear. Come down to our pitman arm, make sure there's no movement. Checking our grease down here at our drag link. A little excessive grease. There's no cotter pin in this castellated nut. Make sure there's no movement in the drag link. Go back here to our steering arm. Same thing, checking our boot. A little excessive grease. Cotter pin in the castle nut. Checking over here the kingpin. A little bit of extra grease here. Just overall visual inspection of the brakes. No damage to the rotors. We got the bottom kingpin seal. Another steering arm. And our ball joint. Check the boot, make sure it's not damaged. Give the crossbar a little movement, make sure there's no movement up and down. Another overall inspection of everything. We're missing our steering stop. Another thing on our crossbar, this clamp is installed wrong. The actual clamp needs to be down here. And then before we go over, check our leaf springs, our U-bolts. Make sure they're centered, no damage. Same with our shock absorber, securely mounted, no damage. Crossbar, overdroller, ball joint, same check. Back and forth, up and down. Down here our Zerk fitting is missing. So we probably got some contamination in there. And then our steering arm with our kingpin. Excessive dirt up top as well. Zerk fittings there. And then just again overall inspection of the brake components and wheel. Same with our suspension, leaf springs, U-bolts, shock absorber, secure head back. Just do a little inspection of the drive line while we're here. Make sure all of our U-bolts are securely mounted. And then we have a loose air dryer. It's got a crack in the mount. And then just continue a basic inspection of lines, components, tanks. Again with the U-joints, make sure they're bolted down, secure, grease. And then back at our rear suspension and brakes, all of our lines, not loose, not damaged, not cut. Our U-bolts, secure. Our rotors, there's no moisture, no damage. Our airbags are inflated. Another overall inspection of lines, make sure they're not chafing. And then our second drive shaft for same secured, excessive dirty. And on this side, same thing, suspension, airbags, brakes. Overall inspection of lines, general condition of things. And back here on our brakes, there is moisture. And inside of the hub, looks like there is a leak. So we'll probably break into that, wipe it down. And then finish it off with just another general basic inspection of lines, components, suspension, for leaks, damages, etc. So that's going to do it this week for the under chassis inspection for PMI. I'm Phil Blanehart. Thanks for watching. Oh, fuck!
Bye-bye.